Discover a hidden gem of Serbia's rugged landscapes as we embark on an exhilarating journey through breathtaking mountain roads. Buckle up and join us as we explore the beauty and excitement of road trip through the Serbian mountains. As we set off, you will feel the warm hospitality of the traditional Serbian villages scattered along the way. Immerse yourself in authentic culture and savor delicious local cuisine prepared with love from age-old recipes. Every twist and turn offers a new panorama to admire. With every ascent, we reach breathtaking viewpoints that allow us to capture scenic landscapes with our cameras and create memories that will last a lifetime. Serbian mountain roads combine excitement and serenity. Every traveler will find something for themselves. Seek adrenaline rush on rugged terrain or find solace in tranquil surroundings. Whichever you prefer, this trip is for everyone. Join us and let the thrill of open roads take you to a world of amazing beauty and eternal memories. Let's hit the road.
Down.